Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the 1inch app in a very simple way so you can quickly understand how to trade, buy, send, and swap crypto. So let's start. First, open the app. On the main screen, you will see a button in the middle called Trade. Click on it to begin. Now you'll see different options. If you want to buy crypto, tap on Buy. This will let you purchase crypto using supported payment methods depending on your region. If you want to receive crypto, tap on Receive. This will show you your wallet address or QR code, so someone can send crypto to you. If you want to send crypto, tap on Send. Here you can enter the recipient's wallet address, choose the token, and confirm the amount before sending. If you want to swap crypto, tap on Swap. This is the main feature of 1inch. It automatically finds the best price across multiple exchanges and helps you trade one token for another at the best available rate. After you choose any of these options, just follow the on-screen steps, confirm the transaction, and approve it in your wallet. Now let's talk about the extra features. There is a browser or explore section in the app. This is where you can discover different decentralized apps, DeFi platforms, and services. You can explore staking options, liquidity pools, and other crypto tools directly from there without leaving the app. And that's it. Now you know how to use the main features of the 1inch app like trade, buy, receive, send, swap, and also how to explore the browser section. Before you go, remember, crypto trading involves risk. Always double-check wallet addresses, fees, and transaction details before confirming anything. Thanks for watching.